Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
One of the surprising things that we have noticed in Kerala is that people are hesitant to take vaccination. Yes, you're right. The state with the maximum literacy rate in this country is scared of vaccination. Now here we have people from Popular Front of India. They have been working tirelessly in this pandemic times to help people in as many ways as they can. Straight from the burials, providing them with ambulances, arranging medicines, or even creating awareness about the vaccination. They take up drives of creating awareness among the people. They go door to door, make people understand the importance of taking vaccination, the ill effects of COVID, and the positive effects of getting yourself vaccinated. So, sir, पहले आप अपना नाम बताइए.
Ashik.
And your name?
Mohammed Rafi.
Okay. Ashik, tell me, you have been working in these pandemic times. What is it that people are afraid of taking vaccinations? Why is that?
Actually, it's like it's a story like 70-30. So 70% are ready, but the 30% they are from the lower strata because they are very much worried about there are some stories from other places even after taking 2 shots of the vaccine, people had dead. So such stories are affected. I mean, in fact, and there are lot of people are they want to go for some other alternative medicine. So rather than this thing.
But there is no medicine for COVID, right?
Exactly.
So what medicine are these people talking about?
They do get some rather than allopathic they go for what I don't know, homeo medicines are available. I mean it's not for COVID and all, but it's for immunity booster shots.
Okay.
So it is available right here, and even the government is also supplying that. So people rely on that most.
Okay.
Many people.
Okay. What are the stories that have been doing around that if you take vaccination you die? What is it?
No, it is not like that. But still, we have heard something like even after taking 2 shots of vaccine, some people got infection, and even it was even death also happened in that cases. So what is good in that? That is what some people think.
Okay. You actually go door to door. You try to create awareness about this vaccination. What are the challenges that you people face?
Exactly. We go to houses. We try to get them because this is going to boost your immunity only, and it is not even if you are contracting this thing, it will be in a lighter shade. Okay. So that's what we try to impart to them. But some people still they are hesitant, and in that case, actually, what we do is we go to the places and we ourselves we have already get the shots and all. Okay. So we are a living example for them. We are almost involved in all the areas of COVID. This thing, even burials and even for shifting these people to hospitals, and we are all in the front line.
So, vaccine hesitancy is seen in rural areas of Kerala or in the cities, which is more?
Mostly rural areas of the city. I can tell you, of the city.
Okay.
Yeah. City limits, people are ready, no problem. The only problem is vaccine availability is little less nowadays.
Okay.
So otherwise, in the rural areas, especially nearby that seashore and all, people are a little hesitant in this.
Okay, you're into burials and cremations also of COVID bodies. So tell me one thing, what is the scenario here? Like in many places we have seen the relatives abandoning their dear ones who die of COVID. There's no one to bury them or cremate them. Have you come across such situations here?
Not even a single story like that, but some recently we have heard not even in Trivandrum and all. The children, they were not ready to bring the body of their mother who had COVID and she was dead. They hesitated to bring her body inside the house and all. Such stories are there. So, otherwise, there is no people are not abandoning anybody. The bodies are well taken care of.
How many bodies have you cremated or buried in a month?
Last month it was little more. It's not by us only, but our brothers and all. There are a lot of masjids here nearby. So around 300 we have done.
And cremations?
Same, cremations around 300.
No, I'm asking about the Hindu cremations and the Muslim burials.
Hindu, we are not much involved, but in some cases where the relatives were hesitant, we had done. Okay. 5 cases we have done.
Okay. So that was Ashik who was saying that there is a vaccine hesitancy seen over here in Kerala. People, there are many stories floating about deaths due to vaccination, and that is one thing which is challenging for people like Ashik to get the people out of their home to the vaccination center. With Santosh Pandey, this is Nazia Sayed for Mojo Story, Thiruvananthapuram.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.